All right, this is Icon Bali. It wasn't here the last time we visited. I think it was late 23. It's nearly open and it's made this area so much busier. The beach side, but also the other side with like traffic. So, but we're gonna take you through and just have a look. The only shopping center in Sanur. You're so cute. I think this is what they call the floating market. It's basically like food stores on a bit of water. This is the food level. Or like this upstairs actually has got a restaurant level also. There's quite a lot of shops that just opened as well. It's still really new, so
yeah. We drove past and we saw so many signs like grand opening today.
Yeah. They do have quite a few things. Like there's a cosmetic shop right here. Very important. Tan doesn't care. Like clothes stores. There's a grocery store over there, Market City. We went in there on the other side. We went in there. It's fairly expensive, I reckon. It's like more expensive than Popular, which is another supermarket here. I feel like a lot of locals just kind of like hang in here, especially during rain season. What else do you do if you don't go to the beach in Sanur? Alright, so we're on level 1. And this level is like more your international brands. You got like Tommy, Pandora, Hoka, Charles and Keith, like basically all the high street brands you would expect in a Western shopping mall. I think same as upstairs, like that's at a level. You got like Vans, you got Crocs, Birkenstock, like a lot of shoes actually, like international shoe brands maybe. But yeah, these are like more international brands. I believe there's also a Sephora on the other side as well. So
we will go there.
So definitely like a bit more. It is like a shopping mall. It's not huge, but I think it's enough for Bali.
Yeah. Kind of like Westfield.
Like a little Westfield.
Yeah.
Not as big as Southland.
No. Hello.
I think like for me, the attraction of this place is actually the view of the ocean.
Yeah.
They've got some really nice oceanfront restaurants. Like when we walked in, it was like quite busy. But this like bit here is actually the nicest part for me. I'm not like a big fan of these shopping malls. Also because we've been to Bangkok and the malls there are like insane.
Yeah.
So I think it's good for Bali because then at least people have somewhere to do a little shopping, like, but it just causes a lot of traffic. The traffic is like
hectic, yeah.
So
crazy.
hectic. Yeah.
Just to add on top of the already hectic.
Because there's only one lane as well.
Yeah.
And this is not even busy season.
No.
So imagine when it's busy season. It would be insane. But we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
But randomly, there's a bubblegum shrimp on. That's very pretty. It's some sort of event they're setting up on the stage.
Yeah.
We don't know what it is. But they have like a lot of tables and stuff set up.
Alright, so
This is a restaurant level.
yeah.
This place seems pretty like Subway, like it's a franchise, like bigger
Yeah.
rather than the smaller stores.
Yeah.
It's got a similar layout and structure to like all the malls in Southeast Asia, where you got like bottom level is like street food, then you got shops, and then top level is all restaurants, entertainment. So
There are still a lot of Japanese restaurants, eh?
do you know Japanese restaurant just like so popular in Southeast Asia in general,
Yeah.
right? Remember in like Thailand, there was like a whole level
Yeah.
dedicated to just Japanese
Chiang Mai.
restaurants. Was it Chiang Mai?
Yeah, Chiang Mai.
I felt like there was one in
Central.
Bangkok as well.
Central.
And the pharmacy. I should need to look at some stuff. So this is the main entrance. We got some beauty salons up here, and then there's a beauty shop behind. We've got the cinema just here. So to go in, you can't bring any like outside food or drink. And you like, I think they do check your bag because we went in last time.
Yeah.
And I was holding a coffee. Actually, I was holding the same thing. And I just waited for 10 outside. What was the prices like?
Can't remember.
But the popcorn prices are really good compared to Australia.
Yeah.
It's pretty. Just the line of cars. So I think parking's underneath for cars, and then motorbike is on the other side. They have Hoka. That's like my runner's brand. It's so hard to get in Australia. They have a pop-up store in Melbourne, but it's everywhere in Southeast Asia. It's such a popular runner's brand in Southeast Asia. I checked out the prices, it's sort of the same. I got mine from America actually. No, they have a Stanley Cup.
Yep.
That is crazy. So, I mean, it's nice. Little more, I guess, for people to chill and something a little bit different for Sanur. I don't know, like, because it just opened not long ago. I don't know whether, like, later on it's just going to cause more traffic for the area, because I don't think the infrastructure is good enough to support the amount of people that might come.
Yeah.
But we don't know that. We'll just have to wait and see.
Yeah.
But as is now, it's a nice little mall. It is causing a bit of traffic, but yeah, like we wouldn't come here every day. We wouldn't come for like shopping.
Yeah.
I just don't think Bali's known for shopping.
Yeah.
So we would just maybe come here if it's like super rainy, got nothing else to do, and possibly just to walk around, get something to eat and chill.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I feel like probably the local will enjoy it more than us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's that sort of more culture that Southeast Asia tends to have. And like Bali is missing that. So yeah, we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Alright. Perfect. Motorbike parking. It's like Icon Bali.